বলবো? Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thanks for giving me an opportunity to talk about my topic. My topic is that how I spent the Independence Day of this year. So, I on that day I woke up at about 4:30 a.m. Then I go to the roof. I sat বসেছিলাম অনেকক্ষণ
Wait for just
enjoying the morning, and after that I uh, came back to my room at about 5:30 a.m. Then I went to my sister's room and wake him up. Then she woke up, and she না মানে ফুল তোলার জন্য plugging the flower, because before that day my sister told to me that you মানে ডেকে দেওয়া, you called me early in the morning, and I plucked some flowers, and that flower I মানে নিয়ে যাবে, I will took into my tuition because of the celebration of Independence Day. So
call my sister.
yes, I called my sister, and she plugged some flower, and after that she got ready for going to tuition, and আমি তাকে দিয়ে এসেছিলাম।
I left her.
I
Left her.
I left her to her tuition, and then I came back to my home, and I again go to the market for brought some grocery things, and then I came back to my home, and in that day from early in the morning to night the মানে টিভি চলছিল,
চলছিল না
মানে
টিভি was
মানে
টিভি চলছিল
হ্যাঁ
টিভি was going on
TV was going on because of some news channel, because we all know that the Arjikar hospitals.
we were some sensitive about this.
Yes, yeah. So I sat beside the TV and watching the news. It's too much bad for our generation and also our society, because that মানে যতদিন থাকবে, মানে that type of men,
People.
yeah,
Cars. Cars
for our society, মানে ততদিন পর্যন্ত কোনো ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট কেউ হবে না।
That particular day, everybody
Everybody
is independent.
is not independent. So my mother told me that now you realize why you going
Care for you.
no when you go to outside, why I am care for you. So yes, at that time I realized that things, and then actually in that year I did not want to celebrate Independence Day, because actually we are not the, yeah, I did not feel good, and also actually we girls are not independent, so I did not like to celebrate it, and I take my lunch at about 1:30 or 2 p.m. Then again I watch some news. After that one doctor uncle came to my home and talk about these things, and also my mother and my grandmother joined in it. After that my sister came to home at about 4 p.m. Then I and my mother went to Bagnan, because in that day the date of my car servicing, so I and my mother went there. Yeah, went there, went the showroom for servicing, and they said that in that day I will not মানে সার্ভিস করবো না.
You will not do any service.
Yeah, yeah. So we are feeling disappointed, and we requested him that please give me my number plate. So they মানে পড়িয়ে দেওয়া number plate,
Attach.
attach my number plate in my car. Then we came back to my home, and as usual I take rest, and then I take my dinner. But in that day at night I can't sleep properly because that news, yeah, that news মানে নাড়িয়ে দেওয়া,
How is always wanted.
yes, haunted me. I always remember that things in the from too early to night, so I can't sleep properly. That's about that.
Independence Day.
Yes, my Independence Day. Thank you.